The basics of gold foil. Gold foil comes in two main types. One is the genuine gold foil. It's made of real gold, often 22 carat or higher. Then it's more expensive and typically used in high-end art or religious iconographies. So one pro tip, use genuine foil for heritage style or fine art projects where longevity is essential. Next is the imitation gold foil. It's a very cost-effective alternative made of brass or other metals. It's ideal for beginners or experimental pieces. So one pro tip is always use a sealant to prevent tarnishing. So genuine gold is vibrant and durable, while imitation foil offer versatility and affordability. Now, gold foil isn't just a shiny embellishment. It's a storytelling tool. It adds a sense of depth, elegance, and even mystery to your art. Artists use it to highlight focal points, create contrast, or simply elevate the aesthetic of their work. So from abstract design to detailed portraits, gold foils can transform any artwork into something extraordinary. So think of Gustav Klimt's iconic painting, The Kiss. The gold accents in his work don't just catch your eyes, they create an emotional resonance, making the piece feel timeless. You will be learning techniques in this course that will give you your own artwork that same wow factor. By the end of today's session, you will have and understand what gold foil is and how it's used in art. Next is identify the different types of gold foil and their characteristics. Then you'll also know the tools and materials required for your first gold foil project. Tools and materials you will need. Starting a gold foil project doesn't require a huge investment. Here's what you will need. 1. Gold foil. You can choose between the genuine or imitation based on your project. 2. The adhesive. It's a glue specifically designed for gold foil, for water-based adhesive if you're a beginner. And next is a sealer. So it protects the foil from wear and tarnishing. You can opt for a gloss finish to retain the shine. Next is a clean workspace. So gold foil is a very delicate and it sticks to dust. So a tidy area ensures a clean application. So one pro tip, when I started, I made the mistake of skipping the sealer. So my artwork tarnished within weeks. So always seal your foil. It's non-negotiable. Now to make your work easier, I've shared a link to the curated store in our community website. So do have a look to get your supplies. Now before we go on to our activity, let's see some of the key takeaways. 1. Gold foil can transform artwork into luxurious, high-impact creations. 2. Genuine gold foil is ideal for fine art, while imitation foil is great for beginners. 3. Having the right tools and materials sets the foundation for your success. Now coming on to our activity, it is to set up your first gold foil toolkit. So 1, you can grab a notebook. 2, you can write down the following materials you will need. 1. Gold foil. You can go for imitation, then adhesives, then butter paper and some cotton, and also the sealer. Now, you can either search online or visit your local art store to price out these materials. And to make things easier, I've shared the link to the curated store in our community to get your materials. So you can procure your materials to get started. This activity will help you feel prepared and excited to learn all about gold foil. In the next lesson, Surface Preparation Essential, we'll dive into preparing your surface for gold foil application. You'll learn how to prime a canvas, apply adhesive, and create the perfect base for your artwork. Without proper preparation, even the best technique can fail flat. So get ready to set the stage for your masterpiece. See you in the next lesson. Let's turn your artistic vision into reality.